5 more Excel shortcuts anyone who uses Excel should know. The first shortcut is, to add or remove a filter on a dataset, hold down Ctrl-Shift-L. This will bring up the filter icon, which when pressed can be used to filter your data. To remove the filter, hold down Ctrl-Shift-L again. Second, hold down Ctrl-T to create a table of your dataset. If your data has headers, hit OK and change the design options to your liking. If you decide not to keep the table, click on Convert to Range. To jump from one side of your dataset to the other, hold down Ctrl and the up or down arrow keys. You can do this with the left and right arrow keys as well to move the dataset to either side. Next, to hide a column, hold down Ctrl and 0. To hide a row, hold down Ctrl and 9. Lastly, to check for hidden cells, hold Alt semicolon. This will highlight the visible cells only, which gives us a visual indication of which cells have been hidden. If none of the cells become highlighted, then that means none of the cells have been hidden. Those are 5 Excel shortcuts you can use the next time you use Excel. Thanks for watching.